What is up, guys? My name is Ace Noguera. I am a commercial lifestyle photographer right here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I just partnered up with the amazing team over at VIEWBUG as a guest judge on one of the many amazing contests they have going on right now. Given the fact that I am a lifestyle photographer, what is one thing that you guys see all the time in lifestyle photos? Sunglasses. Now, the theme of this contest is sunglasses, so I want to see some of your most creative, awesome shots of people wearing these. In fact, to kind of give you some inspiration and some ideas, here are some of my favorite shots that I've captured with people wearing them. Now, this contest will be judged on creativity, originality, and how it fits into the theme. There are about 7 weeks left, so that gives you ample time to really get creative and capture something awesome. Down in the description below, I'll post a link in case you want some more info, as well as some other contests that VIEWBUG has going on right now. If you have any creative ideas for any future themes, feel free to leave it down in the comments below, as we would love to interact with you guys. Now, I'm really excited to see what you guys capture and submit to VIEWBUG. Have fun creating, and I will see you all soon. Peace.